Are you putting out a lot of great content to market your business on YouTube, but you're realizing that few people are actually watching all the way to the end of your videos? Hi, I'm Josh, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to track how long people are watching your videos and give you some tips on how you can get them to stick around for longer. So there are two analytics on YouTube that track how long people watch your videos. There is average view duration and average percentage viewed. Average view duration tracks the actual amount of time people usually spend watching one of your videos, while average percentage viewed compares how long people watch to how long the videos are to show you the percentage of your content that those people are watching. You need to use these two analytics together to get a full view of how long people are watching your videos. A 5-minute average view duration may sound good, and it is if your videos are 7 minutes long, but if they're 20 minutes long, it's actually really bad. For the purpose of this video, we're going to focus mostly on the average percentage viewed, because average view duration varies widely based on the type of content you're creating. So, what percentage should you be aiming to get with your videos? Usually around 50 to 60% is a good number to aim for. If you can get it up to 80%, that means your video is performing extremely well. So, what can you do to get people to watch your videos longer? Well, most people that have a low average percentage viewed either have a problem with their editing, their content delivery, or their content relevance. So let's break these down one at a time, starting with the editing. The attention span of someone watching on YouTube is extremely short. Because of that, most business owners know that you have to start your videos with a strong hook to get people to stay and watch. What a lot of people don't realize is that their attention span stays the same after you've hooked them. So if you're not continually doing things to keep their attention throughout the video, then people will get bored and leave. This is where your editing can make a huge difference. During the editing process, you can add text, animations, and stock images or videos to make your videos a whole lot more entertaining. You can even record parts of your video in different places and put them together as you're editing. The point is that you never want to go too long without something happening or changing on your videos, or else you'll lose your audience's attention. Another great tip is to try adding music to your videos. When people start listening to a song, their brains don't want to leave until the song is finished. So putting soft music behind your videos will keep people watching for longer. Next, let's talk about content delivery. The way you present the content in your videos is extremely important to keeping people watching. Specifically, how fast you get to the important information in your video and how much you relate to your audience. Most people who watch informational content on YouTube are looking for a quick answer to the problems they're facing right now. They don't want to listen to a long-winded introduction or explanation, so you should try to keep your videos short and to the point. Make sure that within 30 to 45 seconds of starting the video, you are giving them valuable information that will make them want to stick around for more. Also, try to simplify the topics you cover. Since you're an expert in your field, things that seem simple to you could be incredibly hard to understand for one of your viewers. So make sure you explain things more than you think you need to, so that more people understand what you're talking about and fewer people leave because they're confused. You also need to make sure your content relates to your audience. This really comes down to just being who you are on camera. There's probably thousands of other people on YouTube that talk about the same things you talk about, but the difference is that none of them have your personality. If you show off your personality in your videos, you'll start to attract people who relate to you, and they are going to be much more interested in your content, which means they will want to watch it for longer. The last problem area that I see a lot of people struggle with is content relevance. Making your content relevant really means to make sure that you're covering topics that your ideal audience wants to hear about. So think about what things they're struggling with right now and what keeps them up at night. What would make their lives easier, and make videos about those things. Not only will more of your people find your videos, but they'll start to stay longer to see if you have the solution to their problems. Another part of making content relevant is making sure you are clearly telling your audience what your videos are about through your title and your thumbnail. The problem I see is that a lot of people create vague or misleading titles and thumbnails. And the problem with that is that when people watch your videos, they come with an expectation of what they're going to get out of it. And that expectation is usually based on what they see in your title and thumbnail. As soon as they realize that you're not going to satisfy their expectation in your video, they're gonna leave. So make sure that you are very clear about what your audience will get from watching your videos. That way they won't start watching with false expectations of what they're gonna get. So to summarize, if you want people to watch your videos for longer, you should check your editing by making sure your videos are grabbing your audience's attention throughout the whole video. Check how you deliver your content, making sure that you get to the point quickly and are showing off your personality. And check how relevant your content is by making sure you're picking topics that your audience is searching for and clearly stating what they can expect from watching your videos. If this video has been helpful, then make sure to subscribe so you can see more of our content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps keep your momentum going.